So as I said last night, I upload one video or one YouTube short also on my main channel like JBberry18 and has 2 minutes strike. And if that say 2 minutes strikes, I will delete my channel. But no, they run it back. So play done. You extended my strike of 1 week in a day. What the fuck, YouTube? So yeah, that was a total controversy about me and YouTube at the same time. Mamaya ka, ha, 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 ha. Yeah, did I play Umamasume? Yes. I did get Bumble Memory in Yukino Region with SSR. But how many pulls do I got? 31 pulls because I did pull in the free notes. In this one, that I was top of 50. No, they're gonna, my 40 pull, Yukino Region, wait, SSR. Ha, ha. It's the best, but you know, say it's not. Top upgrade, no.